Hey, what's up everyone? This is Kimmerman from Kimmerman Gunpla Studio. Today I have here a model kit from Chinese third-party company Round Culture, and this is your Y-20 Yunsheng, or the Dragon Soul Fighter Yunsheng. So this is based on the Chinese martial arts saint Guan with the integration of the aircraft from China, which is the Xi'an Y-20, and this for me a very unique kit where they integrate two concepts from mechanical aircraft and some, of course, Chinese character-based design. But I think this kit doesn't sell well, as I saw in some blogs from Reddit. But I don't know why, because this is not that noisy as the SNAA or the Supernova kits and the in-era model kits. So this is not so much to be heard from other stores. Although it's available from Shopee, I saw it from MechPlayer, and I bought it around 1,200 pesos. Very cheap, but I don't know. Let's check this kit out and let's see if this kit is really worth it to buy and include in your collection. Let's check this kit out and let's start finding your ad. Yunsheng Y-20 transport plan, and there we can see in the box art, very uniquely crafted concept from an aircraft to a Chinese martial arts saint Guan Yu, where it's very funny to see an aircraft wielding, or an aircraft mecha wielding a spear. It's very unusual. As far as I know, for example, the Gundam Wing, it's an aircraft transforming into a model kit, or mobile suit rather, where it can wield mainly a buster rifle or gun, but this one is wielding a spear. So this is from this, don't know if you can see it. It's aviating, creating, culturing, too much ing in the last words. And this is a Round Culture model kit. So this is the company. I think these are two companies joined together. And there we got this Chinese text here. I don't know how to read that. Also this one. And yeah, this is a big box where you can see some specs here. But unfortunately, it's all written in Chinese. All we can understand is the ABS and poly caps on the PC. So this is made of ABS plastic mostly. And there, if you try to scan this, you will be directed to their WeChat and the website for this kit, which is very nice. Also, you can translate the words from Chinese to English. So the other side, there we got this Chinese text here, and oops, sorry. And for the other side here, we can see some action poses and pose from, or pose on an action-based stand. There, it can wield the spear. And some kneeling pose there. Okay. The other side of the box again, we can see front view, rear view, and the backpack mechanism. Okay. So if we open the box here, okay, you can see here the instruction manual. Instruction manual is quite big or large. So there we can see the Yunsheng on the front cover, and there we can see the parts list here. So there we got the standing pose, then spear and backpack. So here we can see the parts list. So mostly ABS plastic. So be careful, you know, ABS, it tends to wear off in the long run. Then there, I like the presentation, how they print this instruction manual, which is very accommodating for me. So it's also black and white, very nice. No colored portion for this kit. And there it goes. By the way, this kit doesn't transform, and I thought this also transformed like the Genesis, but unfortunately this is just the Mecha suit, or the Mecha model variant. Okay. So let's go with the packs here. There's so many packages here. We got 1, 2, 3, mostly gray parts. 4, 5, 6. We got this simple action-based stand here, which is very nice. So it's the 7th. 8 white parts. 9 yellow parts with white parts. 10, 11. So we've got this clear parts here, which is very nice for the spear. 11, 12, and 13. We got 13 packages here. So as always, let's have a quick runner review before we build the kit, but unfortunately there are parts already detached from the runners due to a bad transportation process. So it's okay as long as these parts doesn't have any damages, only detached from the runners. So let's start here with the smallest runner here, which is the red parts, which is runner H. So we got 2 runner H here for mainly the feet part, and we got this clear green parts for the spear, and the I think this one for the backpack. So this is runner P. And for this metallic gray colored runners, runner K for the inner frame parts. We got runner E here, gray parts, and there are parts already detached there. Then we got runner G, gray parts. Another metallic gray parts for the waist and joint parts. This is runner Q and runner L here. We got the spear handle here. Then we got yellow parts, runner O. White parts, runner J, for some mechanical aspects. We got runner M here and another runner M. So we got 2 runner M for the metallic gray parts, and there we got some detached piece there already. So there we go here with the white parts, runner I. And then 2 runner B for the wings or the backpack. Another backpack parts, runner D. And for the last set here, we got runner A, runner C, runner N. We got 2 runner N's and 2 runner F. There we go. So this kit has so many parts, just like your traditional Chinese third parties like Supernova and the In Era and other stuff that's in the Chinese market. So there, thank you very much for watching this unboxing of this round culture model kit from China, which is the Y-20 Yunsheng, Dragon Soul Fighter Yunsheng. So thank you very much, masalama. Auf Wiedersehen. Paalam sa inyong lahat. Good night. God bless. Take care.